Oh, I'm an idiot.
Oh no. I'm trying the best that I can.
What's the beer, Nick? Ooh, pots of gold still. Get out of the way, fatty.
You
Pots of
got to
gold.
spend
Let's
gold
do
to
it.
get
Oh my
gold.
god, how are you in my
Pots
way
of
again?
gold for the crew, please.
Like you're everywhere.
So did you already get the pots of gold?
Well, we're jamming over here waiting for you.
My bad.
Oh, scheiße.
Classy moves, team. Now quit it.
Oh, I like this.
Yeah, Gangnam Style.
Alright.
Alright, so I
All the way down.
drank
Yep.
my beer without drinking it, so that's cool.
Pots of gold. Pots of gold. Rolling at you, mates. Oh, it is Gangnam Style. Holy shit.
Just, it's not the song for it, is it?
No, it isn't. It's quite wrong. Almost inappropriate.
Hurry up! I ain't getting younger, you know.
This game thinks it's Borderlands. Oh, we're leaving. We're leaving.
Like, well, yeah, we know.
Hit the nuts. I mean the dice.
Oh, right. Got a good set of slap squats in. Man, I need a snack. Hungry. Oh shit, I'm a level 1 scout.
What?
Wait,
Oh, wait, yeah, you just promoted, sorry.
but I had all the skills?
Yes, yeah, so you start back at
Oh,
one.
so it doesn't. Oh, so I don't have my equipment improvements.
Right. So now you can add perks and whatnot.
Alright. First things first.
Lights up!
All right, team. You're going after
Oh.
alien.
Oh, that was about to be bad.
What the fuck? Really, game?
Oh no. Careful, we gotta grab her somewhere.
And remember, you don't have any shields.
There he is.
There he is. He's got me because I'm the favorite.
Destroy it!
Oh, that was tight.
Oh my god. We're all gonna fucking die.
Oh,
you
jeez.
watch that
You don't
happen
have
all
shields?
game.
Oh.
Puke. Thesaurus.
I should not have done this on a higher difficulty. We are
No.
gonna fucking die and sure. Alright, and now we don't have anybody to make platforms. God damn it.
We'll be fine.
Shut up. We're all gonna die.
Positive
What
thoughts.
the hell?
Yep. You can't run or sprint when it's shaking and shimmying. And there's a big guy in his way over here.
Alright.
Oh,
Ow! Ow!
hey.
Alright.
The Banleys are the worst, man.
Banelands.
I feel quite alive.
Okay, alright.
Alright. I found a
I'm so distracted. What is that?
a cargo crate.
Oh, there.
Alright. We need to make sure that we stick together.
Yes.
I say that and realize I'm the only one not near you two.
Oh,
There
Nick,
was-
there's some gold back here.
Batteries, batteries.
Where is it?
Well, that sounded cool.
I hear a battery, I have a battery.
Sweet.
What are these fucking explosions I keep hearing? You guys are freaking me out.
I'm not making them. Anybody using Molly?
No?
Alright. Calling her over.
Oh, really? The glyphid fucking menace. Oh, Jesus, a hole of fire.
No. There it is.
Asshole in the air. Yeah.
I mean, at least critical hits do more damage on these guys on this mission as well.
Word.
Alright. Anybody using Molly?
Molly!
I am. Hold on.
Take
Hold
her
on,
back.
hold on.
Take her back.
There's just a ton of gold.
Eliminated!
Forget that we're getting double gold.
Oh,
No.
grab her. Coming for Nick.
There it is. Nice, good job. I drilled at it.
Menaced with your drilling device.
It knew not to come near me.
Alright, I have a Steve, so.
Alright,
Oh,
just
wow. There's a lot of tough motherfuckers in this crowd.
Alright, you can call Molly.
Where is that damn mule?
Just want to pick up the goddamn gold. Goddamn gold. Fucking gold. Just want to pick up the.
Depositing.
Still going.
Loot bug looted.
Baneling coming in. Got it.
What? Just, oh my god. You know, I knew it happened, but watching it happen.
Did our gold fall in this fucking hole? God damn.
Not all of it. Wait. You know what? I don't know if any did. Because if it did, it's gone.
Alright, who's where? What are we fucking doing here?
We're together.
Lighting up.
Okay.
Oh, scheisse.
I need to try to land on one of you.
I need some health.
So, who wants to get jumped on?
I could try to catch you.
Alright, I'm gonna go up here.
There's a...
Alright. I'm way up in the air. You're running away from me.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Okay. Alright. I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna try to land on you. Oh,
Oh,
shit!
no. You jumped way too far.
Fucking slid off like a damn... it was a ramp. Alright. Well, let's try that
Flares up.
again, over here, shall we? Since there's another fucking fossil. It's not gonna work. I'm gonna die horribly.
Yeah, you can't come straight down. Straight down is down there. Oh, okay. Yeah, you got it.
What?
Let me see the other,
Battery?
battery? Yeah.
Not yet.
It must be down there.
Oh yeah, I think it's pretty far away.
Oh, well.
Okay.
Because reasons.
Oh, golden loot bug.
Ow.
Actually,
Molly carries minerals, and we shoot bugs in mine. Dwarf life in a nutshell.
damn. Do more.
Oh shit! Fuck! Christ, no. Oh. It's a
Oh,
low
sweet.
pole.
Yeah.
I hear a battery. I see the battery.
Holy crow.
I hear it as well.
Dead.
I have it in my hand.
Okay.
I'm heading up to the top. With the
Never mind, he's coming down.
who's coming down?
The mule. The Molly mule. Molly.
The Molly Mule.
Ooh. Menace.
Yep, it is.
Menace. Oh, I fucked myself again.
Did you kill it or is it?
No, it
Oh,
fled.
okay.
There it is. Fuck off, fuck off. Piece of shit.
Ain't no hiding from me, bug.
Alright. Loot crate's going boom. Feel like we picked up most of it. What the hell? Oh, no, you weren't doing shit. Alright.
Weird.
Proceeding. Did we ever kill that loot bug?
Yeah.
Gold loot bug.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah, I found all the gold here. Chance, why'd you do that?
Damn it.
I thought I was closer to the zip line than I really was.
Just forming fissures underneath our gold.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Nick, do you want to commit suicide so that you can get revived with more health?
I want to punch the guy in R&D
Yeah,
who programmed
seems
Molly.
appropriate.
It's like she's bigger.
Go
on
for
the
it, then I'll
inside.
drill for this egg, and we can extract it. Since we've got 8 of them.
Christ.
Myself. Hurting myself.
Oh, there's something big.
I don't want to live.
Alright, you got him. I'm gonna drill for this egg.
Yep. Yep.
Alright, got egg. I'm out.
Just take your sweet time, old lady. I've got a day.
Oh, 2 Praetorians, alright.
There's actually 3. Nope, that's not the weapon. Good work over there, Steve. I see you. You're working.
Sorry, little bug. Your own fault for being full of goodies.
I think
All
we're
right, cool.
actually doing all right so far.
Somebody got the egg?
Yes.
Alright, cool.
Alright. Let us proceed in a fucking direction.
Jeez.
I
Or
found a
gold.
gold vein.
Oh shit, fuck.
Sticking right there.
Like, that's not. There we go.
Cross.
Hmm.
Oh, let me actually fulfill the
Let there
fucking
be
job that
light.
I'm supposed to. Goddamn.
Go. Oh, I could have gotten it.
All right, no, see, it's great, it's fine, it's wonderful. I'm okay.
Yeah, it's fine. A nest?
Somebody needs a hug.
Got some nitro?
Oh, no. Let's go stand on that.
Move your tin ass over here and hurry, please. Yeah.
Alright. There was a bunch of stuff down in that crater.
Lighting!
Some nitro, gold. I thought I saw some, like, Vestamir, maybe?
Getting me some nitro.
You snooze, you lose.
Go. Cool. Alright.
Steve, stop staring at me, man. Help or don't. I'm just fucking creeping. Alright.
Well done. Secondary objective completed.
Oh, great.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that actually that's kind of cool.
No, it is. It is. All right,
Oh, yeah.
Chance. Did you
Good.
find all the? Did we find all the things that you were talking about?
They were way down, and actually, I think this
I'm
Oh,
pit is going that way.
I'm at the gold
Team
now.
Rock seriously need to invest in some better equipment.
That's it. Inventory is full. Time to deposit.
Alright, I think I can drill down to you guys.
I'm full.
God damn it, there's a pebble in my boot.
I need to deposit in the mule.
Yes.
Alright, teamwork makes the fucking... God damn, there's a lot of gold. Oh, shit! Okay, I'm good. Okay. Oh, no. Where's it at?
There it is.
It's, of course, yeah.
Alright.
I can't feel my legs.
I can feel your legs.
How do they feel?
Slow down, please. Think you can kill me? Well, think again.
Yep, just poured in my butt.
It's worked most effective. Manufacturer's instructions, man.
I miss college.
Okay.
Is that a reference to butt
Way
checking?
more gold than that, too.
It's a reference to whatever you want it to be a reference to.
I mean, you don't get butt checking references every day, so.
With Nick, you do.
Oh, every day, huh?
Well, Nick or three-way. It's, you know.
Well, it's you know, double your pleasure, double your fun when we're both in the room.
Yeah. STD count goes up as well. It's
Lloyd is up.
you could say they're a dynamic combo.
We come back again.
Got these tonsils just hanging out here.
Polyps.
Donkey, come here.
Donkey.
Well, this will be fun. Where the hell is this going?
I need a damn minecart on legs. Where is it?
More polyps. Okay. Oh, I thought this was just gonna fucking dead end. And then that's it.
Fiber.
We have so many freaking eggs to pick up. We're gonna be at this forever.
I can't find
Oh,
place.
Lord.
It's the best way down. Probably to that egg. Oh, cool.
I'm full. Heading to the mule.
Alright.
Getting some.
I'm
moon
glad we
vibes
have
from
someone to
this
carry
scene.
our rocks and stone.
I'm gonna get this next egg. Where are you, egg? Run in and run in and run in.
Holy shit. Parade of banelings.
Lloyd,
Lord.
They did not like that.
no ammo left.
Oh, shit. Calling ammo down here.
Supply drop has been ordered and
Okay.
is on the way.
Didn't realize I was as low on ammo as I am.
Resupply is here.
Hey Nick, can you throw a zipline?
Getting more ammo.
Sweet.
Yeah, I got the deposit.
Wing. Alright, I've got 2 more on me.
Alright, got
Finding a lot of fossils, which is, oh, it's great. It's good.
Yeah, I have 2. I don't know.
Well, I mean, that mission we played on Thursday with three-way, been so much trouble finding any fossils.
Yeah.
A little bit more nitro over there on
My
the
grandpa
ground.
told me they used real mules back in the
Alright.
day.
My way to this
Keeping up
egg
the
over here.
tradition.
Maybe this shows my ignorance, but I feel like it's we just bust into multiple of these at once. I feel like it's okay.
I don't think so.
No.
No? Double hordes? That's what you're thinking?
Yeah.
Light is up.
Not something I want to handle with
No shields.
Don't get-
weakness and
All right, I found it. Let me go. Know when you guys are ready to go.
I'm as ready as I'm gonna be.
yeah, go for it.
All right, let's go.
Time to earn your paycheck, team. Got a
There's
two-zero
another one
swarm on the
right
way.
above it, so once we finish up with this, I'll grab it.
Lighting.
Because the last time, you know, there were 3 of those big gnarly guys.
Yeah, but that was just one egg.
Yeah.
I mean, unless you want to handle
Did you-
6 or 9.
Are they coming?
The swarm is upon you.
Oh, the swarm's upon us. I'm told. No visual evidence of that,
Oh,
but
yeah, yeah, there.
Aliens coming down the ceiling. Holy shit.
They're all on your side.
And they're dead.
you guys are doing great. I don't see anything. Oh, god damn it, there's a helmet.
Oh, you got a helmet? Really?
Yeah.
Gotta go fast.
Sweet.
Oh shit. Grab her. Coming at me. Going away from me. It's dead.
Glad they don't take too much damage.
Transfer done. New point of interest added to the terrain scanner.
Okay, yeah, that's... I mean, it's not terribly far away, but... Whoa! Oh my god, Steve, you saved my life! Make a little baneling.
The stream of incoming enemies is practically eradicated. And you're
Ow!
Correct.
well done.
Holy shit, where the hell are you?
Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna dig up to this egg. God damn it.
I'm just gonna hop around in a corner like an idiot.
Okay.
Nice hit.
Alright.
It goes.
Here we go.
Flares up.
I'm in the nest.
I'm touching what I'm not supposed to be touching. Oh, it's good. It's
Squishy.
everything I hoped
Call
for.
for the mule.
Got the egg.
I've always wanted to have an egg.
Time to deposit.
Guy right above and behind you? Yeah.
Yep. Thank you.
Oh, and then there's an,
Shut up, Dorian. Nice. Anybody have Molly? Or need her?
Lights up.
You can have her.
Alright,
yeah, yeah. she's
calling her
right
up to me. Gonna deposit
Oh
this egg.
shit, I'm cave leached.
Oh, I see that. Alright, Nick has her.
Thank you. I do love that they just set you down so gently.
Yeah.
I like those fucking grabbers that just drop your ass.
Alright. Well, we're halfway there, guys.
Yeah, this is
Here.
I like this room a lot better than the first room. Getting dropped off in a deadly
Gonna
cliff.
get another egg. Actually, I'm gonna call Molly real quick. There we go. There we go. Got the egg.
Oh no.
Come on. Done.
Down the hatch.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Lighting up.
Nitro over here.
There's a lot of nitro.
Some nitro there too. And another one. Yeah. Alright.
Throw grenade. And then fire blowing things up.
There's a Clifford Menace way the hell over there. little buddy.
Loot bug pile.
But I feel like I got most of it on me.
I need the mule right here, right
Oh,
now.
no, I did not. Most of it's down there. Jeez, more fossils. This is... Now I feel like I'm robbing a great archaeological spot.
Yeah, seriously.
I need to go back for ammo.
Go. Oh, wow.
Excellent.
Move your tin ass over here and hurry, please.
Man,
Inventory is full.
whenever I get a live webcam, I'm gonna be in big trouble.
There we go.
I
Sitting
can't
there,
carry anymore.
mouth open all the damn time.
Gaper. There's health up here. Down at you. Rolling down the hill.
Oh, it's right the fuck there. Yeah, got him, chance.
I helped.
Oh, oppressor. Get out of this fucking hole.
Right, he's looking at me.
Need more ammo.
Nice.
And it went boom.
Oh,
Oh, shit. I'm out of fucking ammo on my assault rifle.
Clip it, oppressor down.
pressure's down.
Roger that. Supplies are coming.
Tripod is here. Everybody connect. Ammo taken.
That's sugar. There's nitro over here.
We're doing a good job, guys. We're doing a good job.
I'm taking some
Oh,
of the
yeah.
ammo.
This isn't too bad.
No, it's just
Molly,
Alright.
like Indiana Jones, a little jealous, insecure even.
you carry a load well,
He
Molly.
went where and shot how many creatures for where's the mule?
You can have her.
Hello. What's your name?
Alright.
How many-
Chance, you want to catch me?
Take off.
Shit. I should have actually. Okay. I'm good. Thanks for the offer, though.
Sure.
What?
So the last two eggs are kinda in the direction of the...
Indiana.
Am I yellow? I'm blue. Right,
Yeah,
directly
I'm
behind
blue.
me. Okay. There's the hidden...
Yeah.
Battery.
The hidden place is over near that one egg.
Way out there. Okay,
Oh.
so that's
So we could probably get
northwest.
Took out a loot bug.
this.
Just sitting here with my mouth gaping open.
Room.
Donkey, come here.
Oh, shit. Nope. Thanks, Chance.
Yep.
Those things are the worst, man. Freaking tripping.
Cryo is pretty awesome with you two guys. Alright.
Mining is hard work. Good thing.
So I will go get that one up in the ceiling.
This is thirsty work.
Why is it raining over here?
I'm gonna come out with it though. I can see through the wall. He's in there.
Alright. Alright, I'm in the hive. Or the nest, or whatever you want to call it.
I want to call it a hive.
Molly, come here.
And it's over here.
Flares up.
Nick, how many zip lines you got?
Swarm incoming. Get through it fast.
4.
We're on a tight schedule here.
Alright, coming out with the egg.
I was made for
Oh, I should
mining.
have called Molly.
Molly was meant for
Chuck it,
hauling
sweet.
what I
Chuck it.
mine.
There's some gold off to the right there.
Yeah.
Gold!
Behind you, Chance.
Yep.
Gold!
Just wait for that swarm.
It's a
Oh.
big one, team.
Nonsense. Oh, that sounds big.
Just hoping there's no detonator or anything.
I mean, I'll be fine. I just run away.
Yeah, it's an oppressor. It's coming up from behind.
That came from behind.
No, I threw that too fucking far. Shit, there's another oppressor coming from the other side. First oppressor's down.
Hey! That was quick.
Second oppressor's coming in.
Yep. Alright. Get above him.
Enemy, go down!
Bailey behind you there, Chance.
Yes, thank you.
Watch your fire, moron!
Alright, oppressor's down?
Every bullet
Yeah?
down.
Yeah. Sounds like there's something.
Hang in there.
Another big one.
Supplies are on the way.
Oh, shit, shit, shit,
Whoa!
shit, shit, shit.
Care of what is left. Then have a
Zip
breather.
lining out. Holy shit. I'm not getting hurt. Oh, fuck.
Oh!
Really?
Shield up, better. I smell bacon.
Oh!
Really? Fucking.
Oh man!
I still hear something big somewhere.
Yeah, I do too. Let's take care of it, maybe? I could try to dig us.
I needed that fucking ammo. Like, I need that ammo bad enough. We're gonna try again.
Stand back. Supply pod inbound.
Oh, careful, Nick.
Marker up!
See a Praetorian.
Nice.
Grabbing ammo.
Alright.
Alright, grabbing this ammo.
Better.
See the view from up here. Okay, what were we doing? Golding, right.
Golding.
Ooh.
There's another vein of gold, and there's this one, and
Time to find Molly!
I guess
Connor, if you need more
Come
ammo,
here.
I just dug down to it.
Ready to kill some more crate. Yes. Down it goes!
Getting more
I am actually going to take a second supply.
red sugar.
Gold
Alright.
now.
God damn it. Alright, alright, come on. Here we go. We got it. Alright, we got one of the golds. Hello. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be in your way like this.
Deposit
It's terribly
time.
awkward.
Yes, you did.
Alright, I'm gonna grab this last egg and then head over to the secret area,
Molly, over here!
and then we can extract, right?
Something like that.
Yeah.
Nick, there's gold in the
I
hole.
smell bacon.
How much?
Probably not enough to bother with.
Contact. We got 4. Wait,
Damn
6.
it.
No, 12. A lot of aliens
Just
heading
throwing
away.
your
I'm caught on
players
this.
into the
Where is it?
crevasse, huh? Oh, my bad.
Oh, you're cool. You're cool.
What fucking color
All
am I?
selected. Management will be pleased.
Oh, you're
Escape
blue.
pod button is activated.
Chance, I think if you drill through
Swarm,
right
they're here.
here,
Something!
we
You are
can get into
bluey.
the next area.
That's exactly what I was gonna do.
Just
What color are you? You are bluey in a field.
Shut the fuck. Understand that reference, Chance? You're gonna have to go all the way back to one of the SWOTOR videos.
Years.
They coming?
He was 6.5.
Yeah, they should be coming around the bend. It sounds like they're on the in the other cave. Yeah, they are. They're coming around this side.
Lighting!
I think they've got a problem crossing the crevasse.
Ooh, there's a bunch of spiders.
Motherfucker. Little shit.
Master!
I will kill you again. That is so cool.
Lights up! Oh
He's not there by
yeah!
himself, isn't he?
Oh, huh? What?
Wave is almost over.
Got an oppressor coming from the downhill.
Alright.
Oh, Jesus, dick face. Oh, really? He tossed me right into this tiny little fire hole.
I got the Praetorian!
Are you okay?
Bunch of
Fire
slowpokes!
assistance.
Nothing like a tiny fire hole.
Press her down!
Oppressor down, Praetorian down. I'm a shiny god of
hit
combat.
over.
Cave system. What should do it? There we go.
Need precious
Hello?
minerals. It will get you killed.
Well, that's unfortunate. Oh, shit! Fuck, 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 no shit, fuck, fuck, shit, fuck, fuck. Problems. This has been a test of our oh shit, shit, fuck system. Thank you for your...
First, anyway. Seems to be working.
Ouch!
Oh, it's only a test.
Oh, I'm out of here!
Yeah, no, I definitely didn't fuck up and nearly die in a hole.
Okay, good.
So, Chance, you dug into that other area, right?
Almost. Still dealing with the crap. Alright.
Fucking ow.
Wonder what happened here.
There we go. Alright.
I am.
No way.
Molly's
Nick,
on
you'll
the way.
want to touch this.
It's a rare opportunity when Chance gives you something to touch, man. It's worth touching.
I'm looking
Oh
forward
my god, I looked at my clock and I thought it was said it was 1 o'clock. No, it's only
What?
11.
Up there.
Go in the hole. Touch the thing in the hole.
Alright. Y'all ready to leave?
Pretty much.
Alright.
Sending in the drop pod. Starting the counter. This is it, team. Do us proud.
It sprays further than I thought it did. Up out this way.
None can stand before us!
Drop pod has arrived. Retrieving the mule.
we go the right way.
Drop pod departing in
I did.
-5 minutes.
We fight for rock and stone!
There it is. Ooh. Hey, there's another fossil.
Take that!
Fucking, did you just drill to it?
Me?
Oh, yes, he did. Who needs
No.
teleporter technology when you can have an adventure on the way down? Oh, look at the view.
Speed limit set too slow!
I am drilling down to it now.
Boom! One hit!
One hit after all of that shit. Oh god, I'm out of fucking assault rifle ammo again. Oh, that's an exploder.
Pod departing in T-minus 4 minutes.
Shit ain't fucking funny.
I'm first.
Alright,
Fuel has
I'm
docked.
in.
Initiating launch
I'm in.
sequence.
They're nuts.
All right, that one, you know, that was not as bad as the last one.
That wasn't bad.
No, no, feel like we did all right.
There was much rejoicing.
There was a little bit of rejoicing. There was like, oh,
A little bit, you know. It's not really rejoicing when you're trying to. Laugh more. Smile more.
that's a lot of goddamn gold.
Fart less.
Did you say fart less?
I said snort less.
Well, I'm working on it, man.